Welcome to Professor Diaries. What if there existed a fruit that could rebuild your cells, reset your biological age, and restore your entire system, from gut to brain to consciousness? What if this fruit was not only praised by rishis, chanted in mantras and offered in yagnas, but was also now being studied by neuroscientists, DNA experts, and longevity researchers across the world? This is the mystic miracle called Amla, known to the modern world as Emblica officinalis, and to the spiritual world as Divya Rasayana, the immortal elixir of rejuvenation. In Ayurveda, it is called Dridaphala, the fruit of courage. In scriptures, it is Amritphala, the fruit of immortality. And in the language of science, it is a natural DNA protectant, antioxidant balm, and neurorepair agent. Botanically, Amla belongs to the family Phyllanthacea. It is a small to medium-sized tree with greenish-yellow, gooseberry-like fruit that is extremely sour, yet deeply nourishing. In Hindi, it is called Amla. In Sanskrit, Amalaki, the mother, the nurturer, the pure one. In Tamil, Nelakai. In Marathi, Avala. And in English, Indian gooseberry. The tree flowers during spring and bears fruit through winter, making it a symbol of strength and transformation. Unlike most fruits, Amla retains its vitamin C even when boiled or dried, a rare, near-miraculous property. It's not just a fruit, it's a survival code. Mythologically, Amla was born from the tears of Brahma during creation. In the Skanda Purana, it's actually said that those who plant or consume Amla regularly are freed from the cycle of birth and death. The tree is worshipped during Amla Navami, where devotees circumambulate the tree, seeking blessings for a long life and protection from disease. In the Mahabharata, it's mentioned that when Yudhishthira once asked about the purest food to eat during Vanavasa, Vedic sages pointed to Amla, describing it as a food that clears both physical and karma toxins. Now let's step into the world of science. Amla contains the highest natural source of vitamin C in any known edible plant, more than 20 times that of an orange. But more than that, it contains powerful polyphenols, tannins, and alkaloids like emblecanin A and B, punaglucanin, and gallic acid, all known to. So, Amla compounds can actually reduce cellular stress, neutralize free radicals, and even repair mitochondrial damage. They help boost collagen production, reverse DNA telomere shortening, and also reduce LDL cholesterol while improving HDL. In clinical studies, Amla has been shown to reduce blood glucose in people with type 2 diabetes, protect brain neurons from degeneration, improve liver function in hepatitis patients, and even stabilize stress markers in PTSD cases. Its biochemistry is so complex and, honestly, so intelligent that scientists refer to Amla as a systemic adaptogen, which means it's a compound that knows what to balance and when. Neurologically, Amla is considered a brain tonic. It reduces cortisol, enhances serotonin receptor sensitivity, and increases neurotrophins like BDNF, which are, essential for learning and memory. In Ayurveda, Amla is prescribed in what's called Medhya Rasayana therapies. That basically means it rejuvenates both the buddhi and the manas. In brain-gut science, Amla helps restore microbiome balance and improves inflammation in the gut lining, making it a key agent in treating things like IBS, leaky gut, and even psychosomatic fatigue. In the vagus nerve pathway, Amla is used to stimulate the parasympathetic system, reducing heart rate, calming the body, and enhancing emotional recovery after trauma. Ayurvedically, Amla is one of the only herbs that balances all three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Rasa Amla is sour and astringent with sweet undertones. Virya Shita, which means cooling. Vipaka Madhura, or a sweet post-digestive effect. It purifies the Rasatatu or plasma and the Raktadatu, which is blood. It also improves Agni, that is digestion, without increasing the Pitic fire. And it enhances Ojas, the vital essence of immunity and spiritual radiance. Conditions treated include immunity disorders, diabetes and insulin resistance, PCOS, and hormonal imbalance, constipation and gut dysfunction, eye diseases and macular degeneration, chronic fatigue and stress, premature aging and graying, liver detox, brain fog and depression, as well as skin pigmentation and acne. Daily applications include having amla juice with warm water in the morning, it really boosts your energy and helps cleanse your gut. Taking amla powder with honey at night, it can treat constipation and ease mental restlessness. And using amla-infused hair oil is great for strengthening the roots and even reversing hair loss. Amla candy or churna for children is, a wonderful immune builder and mental tonic. Amla in Triphala form offers, honestly, deep detoxification of the colon and eyes. Spiritually, amla is linked to the Anahata chakra, the heart center. Its vibration is cooling, soothing, centering. When taken during pranayama practice, amla helps maintain the calm of mind, openness of heart, and protection from emotional toxins. Sadhakas consume amla during Navratri fasts for detox and divine balance. In tantric practices, amla is used to induce sahaj state, a peaceful, open, blissful state of being. It is said that even yogis in Himalayan caves carry amla dried fruit for cellular support during extended fasts. So, AI and future integration. Amla's molecular map is actually being integrated into AI health diagnostics for recommending customized adaptogen therapies. AI models are now trained to identify oxidative stress in cells and then trigger microdosing of amla molecules in smart capsules. Biosensor patches, they may deliver amla extract through the skin during dehydration or high-stress response. Quantum biologists are even studying amla's telomere-preserving effect for longevity mapping in digital DNA repair systems. And AI education systems will soon include amla in school ecosystem projects, so students can learn about plant-body-brain connections. In scriptures, Charaka Samhita actually calls amla the greatest of all rasayanas. Sushruta describes amla as the fruit that, quote, renews life when life is frayed. The Skanda Purana states that even a touch of the amla tree on the body removes 100 births of sin. In the Devi Bhagavatam, amla is linked to goddess Lakshmi for prosperity, beauty, and immune wealth. Now, when it comes to child-friendly education, amla is a plant that teaches growth from within, just like vitamin C builds inner shielding. It's used in eco-school projects to teach natural immunity. Its candy form is easy to include in children's diet for memory, gut health, and clarity. And students are taught that amla represents a cool mind, strong body, and pure heart. And finally, a spiritual reflection. In a world obsessed with surface shine, amla reminds us to rejuvenate from the core, to grow quietly, to heal deeply, to restore truthfully. Every cell of amla carries a code to reset the body, soften the mind, and open the heart. If Tulsi protects and Giloy purifies, then amla regenerates. It is not just a fruit, it is the memory of immortality. Support the mission, a fusion of AI, spiritual consciousness, and soul technology. Shopping through the bag icon helps support this journey. Tap the membership icon for early access and conscious tech circles. Scan the UPI QR at the end to contribute any amount you feel called to. For collaborations, just contact via the official email in the description. And, of course, you can watch the full series on Professor Diaries.